Hi, magandang araw sa iyo. Welcome sa video na to. Okay, this is Arman Sidru. Once again, giving you the best tips and tricks on online marketing. And kung hindi ka pa nagsusubscribe sa YouTube ko, please subscribe. Okay, click the notification bell below rin para ma-notify ka every time na meron akong bagong video na ilalabas sa channel na to. And sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin yung reason kung bakit a lot of people, a lot of aspiring business owners or entrepreneurs ay nahihirapan magkaroon ng sales sa business nila, especially in marketing online, in Facebook or any social media platform. Alright, so a lot of people believe kasi selling will take a part in the last part. Okay? Dahil na-convince mo siya, napagawa mo siyang mapabili, and that's a big no-no. Okay? Selling is a process. So, lahat yan mag-start talaga from the beginning. Okay? So, para yung puzzle na kailangan pagtupi-tupiin mo hanggang sa pinakahuli. Kailangan from step 1 to last step ay magawa mo ng tama. Alright? So, pinaka-importante na dapat mong matutunan is talking to your prospects. Okay? Talking to people sa mga prospect mo. Okay? A lot of people kasi naniniwala na any people will buy your product kasi pakitaan mo lang ng offer mo, and they will certainly buy your offer dahil sobrang ganda nito. But the problem is hindi lahat ng tao bibili ng offer mo, bibili ng product or services mo. Ay, bakit? Kasi products or services or any offer are created for a certain problem. Okay? And that certain problem ay hindi nag-o-occur or hindi nararanasan ng lahat ng tao. Okay? Halimbawa, products na pampabayad. Okay? Hindi lahat ng tao ay gustong pumayat. Okay? Bakit? Because there are a lot of people na payat na. There are a lot of people na gustong tumaba, hindi ayaw nilang pumayat. There are a lot of people that are contented na gano'n na yung weight nila. Okay? So, hindi mo yun pwedeng pakitaan ng offer. Okay? So, most marketers or business owners will do para kausapin lang yung mga tamang tao is ma-market nila the right people for their offer. Hanapin nila yung mga tamang tao, which is napaka-possible na ngayon, napakadali na ngayon because of the social media or like ads dahil you can target specific audience na gusto mong pakitaan ng offer mo. And one of these is the Facebook ads, which is tinuturo ko yun. Tinuro ko yun sa bakit wala kang benta ebook. By the way, if you don't have a copy pa, get one. Okay? Marami kang matututunan doon. Tinuro ko doon step by step yung mga process, how to get limited prospects and sales para sa business mo. Alright? So, now, if you have the right people, or the right audience for you na nakuha mo na, kailangan mo rin siyempre mag-build ka ng rapport. Okay, hindi ka po pwedeng magbenta. No. Because people will do business with if they like you, trust you. Yan. Kung kilala ka nila, may tiwala sila sa'yo. So, to build that kind of rapport, kailangan hindi ka nagbibenta-benta. Okay? And that's the use of what we call email marketing. Okay? You can give a valuable lesson first, valuable emails na magbibuild ng rapport para sa kanila para makuha mo yung tiwala nila. Alright? So, tinuro ko yun sa bakit wala kang benta ebook using the power of emails. And lastly, siyempre, if they want to learn more from you kasi nakapag-build ka na ng rapport, nakapag-build ka ng value sa kanila. If they want to learn more from you, that's the time you can give your offer. That's the time you can give your product. Okay? Kung gusto na nila yung product na yun. Okay? Napaka-importante ng ganong process. Kailangan may sinusundan kang process. Hindi ka po pwedeng pumunta agad sa last step. Hindi ka po pwedeng pumunta agad sa step 2 sa pagbebenta online. Kailangan mo alam yung process na yun. And in any business, kailangan alam mo yung process. Okay? Alam mo yung pagmamarket ng product mo. Alam mo kung sino yung pagmamarketan ng products mo. Yun yung mga reasons kung bakit maraming tao or business owners, aspiring entrepreneurs, yung nahihirapan magbenta. Kasi kinakausap nila yung mga maling tao, hindi nila paano i-market ng tama yung offer nila. Okay? Believe me or not, kapag alam mo yung tamang process, alam mo yung paano mag-market ang offer mo, sobrang dali na lang para kumita. Sobrang dali na lang magbenta. Okay? So, if you have any questions about this video, let me know sa comment sa baba and sasagutin ko yun as soon as possible. And if you want to learn more, okay, kung paano mag-market ng tama, I will put a link papunta sa Bakit Wala Kang Benta ebook. Grab a copy now. Ina-update ko yan lagi. Kung meron akong mga bagong ituturo doon. So, get a copy. Napakamura nun. And wala kang makikita ng ganong ebook na ganong kamura and ganong ka-valuable. So, thank you for watching and see you on my next video.